The shift in measure 10 in Minuet in G by Beethoven, Suzuki Book 3, is the first big shift in the Suzuki Cello method. You are shifting from first position to fifth position, from fourth finger to second finger. A great shift is a shift that is one smooth, rhythmical motion and stops on the right note. So there are three important parts to a shift. Land on the correct note the first time with no corrections at the top. Make it rhythmical, meaning it happens in the correct timing of the music on the page. And make it one smooth motion with no jerks or stops and starts along the way. You can practice the concept right now by shifting your hand over to the subscribe button. I see it. Yes, there it goes. Nice, smooth, rhythmical, and boom! Subscribed. Excellent work!
If you'd like to know more about online lessons or learning with me online, please check out my website, thecello.online. There you will find links to learn more about me, as well as a store page where you can purchase video exchange lessons. In these lessons, you will send me a video and I will respond with a video. This allows us to learn online with much better audio quality than FaceTime or Zoom. If you already have a teacher, please check out my Suzuki Cello supplements. These can be purchased on the website and will supplement your learning in an incredible way.
Thanks, and I will see you in the next one.